In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Wikipedia. So what you want to do is first find a topic you would like to edit on Wikipedia. So in my case, I found this bridge topic over here. So then what you want to do is scroll down a little, and if you find something you'd like to edit, you first have to create an account. As you can see, I already got my Wikipedia account, so I don't have to do this. But once you've created your Wikipedia account and confirmed your email address, you can then access the same page as I can. So if you find a potential mistake or some misinformation in a certain paragraph on a certain search term, you can click up here on this pen, and then you're going to be taken into the editor where you can edit and change the things you would like to change and think are better the way you want it to be. And then once you've done that, you simply click on Publish Changes or Show Preview or Show Changes, and that's done. That's how you edit a page on Wikipedia.